Welcome everyone. I'm Katrina Briggs, the founder of Embark Black, and I help you find and explore Black culture and influence at every destination. Today, I'm in Tulsa, Oklahoma, taking a tour of Black Wall Street with the Black Wall Street Chamber of Commerce.
My name is Kuma Roberts. I'm the president and CEO of the Black Wall Street Chamber. You know, we have a really challenging history here in Tulsa. About 103 years ago, we had a massacre that destroyed a thriving 30-block space of Black doctors, surgeons, pilots, business owners, grocery stores. A real tragedy for this community about 100 years ago, based on a racial incident between a young Black boy, Diamond Dick Rowland, and Sarah Page, a young white elevator operator. That event led to potentially what rang out as nab the Negro, and they took him to the courthouse, and that is what ensued and started the ultimate Tulsa Race Massacre almost 103 years ago. A few years ago, I heard a pretty staggering statistic that in this city, if you live on the other side of this train track in Tulsa, Oklahoma, you live 12 years longer than anyone born on this side of the train track. This side of town is North Tulsa, or Greenwood. And so I usually start off our tours by talking about the inequity of just the health inequity of what it means to be born Black in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
It is very fitting that I am here in Tulsa, Oklahoma to celebrate Juneteenth, because a country I have been to many times and have fallen in love with. From its wonderful, welcoming people to its beautiful landscapes, this country is South Africa. So come on, let's go explore South Africa together.